Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload music to Spotify on iPhone. So first of all, we will go into the Spotify mobile application, and after that, you have to just wait till you get your app open. And after that, you have to go into your library, which you can see in the below, and you can see that here you will see your liked songs and basically your local files. So you have to click on the local files, and here are all the audios and songs that you have kept in your phone, and you can use the Spotify to play all these songs. But if you want to upload your own music in Spotify mobile application, so basically you can't do it from the from this mobile application. You have to use a PC for that. So you have to open in the web browser in your computer, and after that you can upload music on the Spotify. So if you found this video really helpful, subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.